Hi, thanks for viewing our channel. Today we're going to be yarn painting pumpkins. We have so much of this yarn left over from projects throughout the years in art classes, so it's turned into a mess. But if you've got yarn, it doesn't matter the state that this yarn is in because we can still cut it into small pieces and do some yarn painting. Just going to need a piece of cardboard and some glue. Now I'm using tacky glue because it's thicker. It's not going to dry as quickly, but you can just use school glue. You just need a glue that will hold to cardboard and yarn or a textile. Yarn can be used to make lines just like your pencil or a crayon or a marker. So you can just take your yarn, and what we're going to do, I'm going to put a pile of glue on my cardboard. And I know this looks excessive. This looks like a lot of glue, but I promise you I'm going to need more before this project is done. But you're going to lay your glue down, and then we'll use our yarn to form our lines and make the shape of our pumpkin. Once we have our outline for our pumpkin, we need to fill in the colors in the centers, and it's best if you do each individual groove or panel from the pumpkin. It just looks cleaner and nicer in the end. You can do these in single strips, or you can try to make one continuous run of yarn. However you choose, you can cut it into little pieces. You have options. You can make it look like it was embroidery with stitches. However you would like to get your yarn onto your cardboard, your choice. Just use your own creativity. Now I am purposely leaving a little bit of white space as if the light was reflecting off of my pumpkin. I'm going to fill that space in with a lighter color just so that it kind of adds dimension to my pumpkin. Now for the fun part, we need a background. And I know that I want to use some green. I could do horizontal stripes. I could do vertical stripes. I have a lot of options here, but I think I know what I'm going to do. Let's see if you can guess. We hope you enjoyed this art project. If you did, please click that subscribe button so you will know when we upload more videos to help you dig into your creativity. And most importantly, forget not the Lord.